Counterfeiters are not paying any taxes. They're not abiding by the laws and putting forth safe products, as a result of which the counterfeiters are detrimentally affecting the reputation and the goodwill built up by companies that have worked very hard to have a good reputation. You're actually supporting organized crime, you're supporting terrorist financing, and the same counterfeiters that are bringing in the Gucci and Louis Vuitton bags very often are shipping in that same shipment the counterfeit pharmaceuticals, the counterfeit electrical products, and the counterfeit toys that have hazardous materials on them.
Nowadays, it's a growing problem. So products that we've seen that are counterfeit now apply almost to anything that's produced in this global marketplace. What's found is because copper is such an expensive commodity, the counterfeiters put in more insulation and less copper. So you see this smaller gauge wire, which causes overheating and potential fire and shock hazards. What we're finding is virtually everything out there can and is being counterfeited.
This kind of counterfeit bothers me, especially as a parent, a great deal. And here we have a toy that has not been tested at all. All toys in Canada that are sold have to be made on the insides with new material only. You're not allowed to use remanufactured material. We've dismantled these, and we have found just about anything you can imagine that's been swept up from the floor of some factory in some foreign country, we have found on the insides of these.
Safety standards exist because products not built in compliance with them could pose a potential health and safety risk to the public.
This is a pair of counterfeit Nike shoes. The box looks real, but it's not. The shoes look real, but they're not. There's no cushioning technology built into this shoe at all. So someone is going to use this, they're going to run on it, they're going to put weight on it, and it's going to affect their joints. They might not notice it immediately, but over a period of time, they're causing damage to their joints.
When you collectively look at the job losses, revenue, taxes, the products and the costs of enforcement, that it's potentially in the hundreds of billions of dollars on a global basis.
Name brand products are not sold on tables on the street. Ask for the owner's manuals and manufacturer's warranties. If these do not exist or do not look official, it's a good chance that the product is counterfeit. Look for spelling errors in the packaging or instructions. Look for substandard quality. If the price seems too good to be true, the item is likely a counterfeit.